welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off video calls on Instagram. So for that, we just have to go on our Instagram app. As you can see here, I am on my profile. So from here, you have to click on those three lines from the right corner in the top of the page. And then you have to click on settings, the first option. So from here, you just have to click on the second option, which is notifications. Then click on direct messages. Then after that, you have to scroll down, and here we have video chats. So you have to turn this off. So that's it, guys. This is how you can turn off your calls from Instagram. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.